This video I'll show you how to install Debian operating system in your computer. In a computer that is running on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 or whatever operating system it is. Also on Mac OS and or other computers. So Debian is a Linux distribution that you can install and you can use it for any project that you have on school, or if you are working in a project in your work, or just for fun, just to check out what operating system is and how it works. Same as most of the Linux distribution, we just go to the website and we are going to download. The website is debian.org. You can find the link in the description too. Every link that I use here is found on the description. And just go ahead and scroll down and click on this big download button here, or you can click on other downloads. If you click on other downloads, it will show you different images that you can install, but we need the disk or the ISO file to 32-bit PCs for 64 or whatever your computer is. But now today we are using the 64-bit version, so you just have to click on this one first, or you can go back and just click on big download button. Click, it is going to start downloaded, but I'm going to cancel it because I have already downloaded it before, and we'll show you right now how to do it. So before starting, go ahead and download and install VirtualBox 2. You can go to Windows host if you are on Windows running or Mac OS or Linux distributions. Now let's run the installation. So let's go ahead and open VirtualBox. Here's my VirtualBox, and I'll create a new operating system by clicking on new and then just put a name. I will call it Debian, and then you just have to choose the location where you want to save the virtual machine, and then choose the ISO image that we just downloaded now and click on others, put your downloads here and choose it. Then it is going to automatically choose Linux and Debian here, so you don't have to click anything. Then just click next with a new version of VirtualBox and choose a username and a password. Then just click next, choose your base memory or RAM, use maximum on the green. Then if you go to red, it's more dangerous for your operating system. It's not dangerous actually, but it's going to make it slower, your computer slower. Then choose the processors, and here we have the processors. I'll choose 5, then click on next. And we have virtual hard drive. Then choose a space that you want to use for your storage, and 20 gigabytes is actually very good for Debian. So let's click next and finish. This is going to directly start. This will open this window and start directly the installation in your computer. Okay, now the installation is finished and is going to load. Here we have boot menu, and it's going to start directly the operating system automatically for you. So it took a while to install the Debian operating system because it got a bunch of files to be installed to be downloaded. So now it's going to start, and the first thing you see here is your username, and you have to select it and then put a password that we put before while setting up on VirtualBox. So just put the password and press enter, then it will open directly the operating system for you. First, we'll show you the setup information, like to put a language and some quick settings that you can choose. They are here. If I click on there, click on next, and I can turn off location services if I want. Then click next and skip. So now click on start using Debian, and here we go. So this is Debian operating system. You can click on activities, and here are the apps that you have, or show applications, all the applications here. And also you can create different desktops like all the operating system, or you can just go ahead and open terminal and start like a normal operating system. Also different options here for the speaker, for nightlight on internet, and the performance, dark mode if you want to choose, and everything else. Also you can make screenshots and use different options here on Debian. You can video screen record or screenshot. So it works perfect, and you can turn off by clicking here up and in this button, and click on power off again. But for some people, sometimes installing isn't going to fail and show you any problem. And if it fails, just go to settings and make sure you go to the system and make sure to have floppy option here enabled. Then here on the acceleration, you have to choose default and also nested paging. And also if it still doesn't work, you can choose EFI special OSs only. You can enable this option, but for me it works without enabling it, and it works good. Then if you go to display, you can also put this to maximum, and you have more options here for the storage, audio, and everything else that we don't really care. So this was how you can install Debian operating system in Windows, and as you can see, I am on Windows 11 and I'm also running Debian operating systems. I also showed you guys how to install Fedora and also to install Ubuntu in other videos, so you can go to my channel and them. So make sure to like this video if you like this type of content and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace.